This is a phone, an iPhone 4 that I found on Woot.com. It's supposed to be new. I kind of doubt that it is, but it's supposed to be. It says in their listing that this is a new phone. That's why I bought it. It's kind of hard to believe that anyone would have new iPhone 4s. I think Marquez Brownlee paid like $40,000 or $50,000 for a very first one that was unopened.
But it actually went up at an auction a few weeks ago in Chicago, and somebody scooped it for only $40,000. I guess they got a bit of a discount because that person was me.
These can go for, I've seen $500 or $600, but the problem is nowadays you don't know if they're really unopened. They've been resealed like that. I think the actual company too did some resealing. Like if they got them for refurbished or whatever, they could be resealed. That's kind of what I suspect this one may be. It looks old. Now it's supposed to have been sitting on a pallet somewhere, but then you can kind of see it. It looks old and it's not the straightest. You know, it looks like maybe somebody wrapped it or whatever. When I saw it though, I thought it could be because it is Amazon. If anybody has old new stock, it could be Amazon. You know, they're big enough to where they could have it, big enough to where they could misplace something like that. I took a chance on it. It wasn't very expensive. It was like $100. And we're gonna unbox it and see if that's what's really in here. If it is new, then I'm gonna throw away the value right here with you guys. And if it's not new, then we'll all have a good laugh. I guess I got scammed. It's funny, 32 gigabytes was a ton back then. You can't even get an iPhone, I think, with 32 gigabytes. It's too little. It was huge then though. Last year, I was able to grow the channel by 20,000 subscribers. This year, the goal is 100,000. So if you haven't already, and you like these kind of videos, do me a favor and click subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like button and leave a comment down below to let me know what it is you liked and what you'd like to see in the future. Thanks. If this is new, I'm gonna cry because, you know, it would have been worth a little bit of money and something I could have held on to for a while, but let's see what's in here. If we've got an old phone or a new phone. I'm nervous, man. I'm nervous about opening this because I can't do it again. My hope is that it is new, but my good sense tells me that it is not. Nervous. Come on, get out of there. I love these boxes and stuff back then. Come on. I can't get it open, guys. 16 years is a long time to be in a box. This battery could be exploded. A lot of things could be going on inside here. Battery is exploded. Battery is exploded, and it's not new. It's in great shape, but it's not new. Golly, man. I was hoping it would be, but I knew it wasn't. I knew it wasn't. And I know because there's no screen protector on the screen. It looks like it might have been a return or something. I don't know if these are new or not. The old Apple earbuds. These look like they may be new. It'd be hard to put them in here like this if you're not a robot or something. I'll definitely use those. Man, it really pees me off. I was really hoping that it would be new, but it's not. But we did get some Apple stickers, the original Apple stickers. It's in really good shape. Well, I mean, it's the back of it's busted, so it's not in that great a shape. But if you look at the quality of the back glass, like there's no scratches on it, and there's no scratches on the front glass. So I bet this has been in there a while. It's not new though. This is close to new. Of course, you know, almost doesn't get you any money, right? We knew we were taking a long shot, man. It was supposed to be new and it wasn't. So sorry guys, I'll keep looking. I keep looking for one. There's a few things that I want to own in this life before I pass away. And one of them is a unopened, I want to unbox an unopened iPhone 4. I guarantee you this is not very old. This looks like it probably was bought and returned quickly and has been in there ever since. I'm gonna go cry. I got scammed. I got scammed on an iPhone 4. So I want to give you guys an update before we end the video. I was able to get hold of Woot, and I guess they had marked them new when they were supposed to be used or returned or whatever. So they did end up giving me my money back. So I didn't lose any money, which is good. And thanks to eBay, I was able to order a battery and get this phone actually working. If you want to take a look over here, it does look like it wasn't used very much. All this stuff is new. They may have added that after it was returned. I don't know, but all of it's still in the plastic and I'm going to keep it that way. The phone looks really good. Down inside the port, there's really no dirt or anything like that. When I turned it on, it said insert a SIM. I found an old AT&T SIM, but it's not activated. I don't even think AT&T has a 3G network anymore. So we'll try to turn it on right now and see what happens. But I may be wrong here, but I don't think this is like a first gen one of these. They made the 4s, they made the 5Ss, and they were still selling these when they made the 5Ss. So I think this is a later one. It's in really good shape. Of course, you know, that's not what I was looking for. I was looking for a new one, but it is in really good shape. We're gonna see if it'll activate. Hopefully it will. It will not activate. So we'll have to plug it into here. Or we want it to activate, but we don't want it to update. It's kind of crazy that it still recognizes it as an iPhone. It's showing new ones, but it's an iPhone 4. It does say that there's a newer version of iPhone software. It has iOS 6.0 on it. It did activate. It's now asking if we want location services. So we'll hit yes. We sign in with Apple ID. We'll just skip that step for right now. Skip. Agree. Agree. We don't want to send any diagnostics to them. Start using iPhone. So this is iPhone 6, so this is not quite as old. I was hoping it was an older one, but it's still pretty old. Still pretty old. It's still got that dock like that, but it's not quite as old. It does have the App Store and everything on it. But man, I'm really nostalgic for this. I didn't pay anything for it, so I'm not upset at all. I would have liked to, found a new one for $100. That would have been great, but it's a good one to have in my collection, I think. You know, I'm trying to collect them all, so.
Like Pokemon.
Yeah, no, like Pokemon cards. I'm trying to collect all the different iPhones. So I got a video planned for all of them if I get it. But you can see here we've got the model number, and then the firmware is 4.12.02. Doesn't tell you. Yeah, it does. Version 6.0 right there. So that's it. It seems to be working just fine. After we put a new battery in it, it is holding a charge and everything. So we should be able to unplug it and it'd be fine. If you guys want to see me do some more with this phone, like see if I can actually use it or anything, look at that camera. Look how wobbly it is. It's got some rolling shutter. Yeah, it's pretty bad. But anyway, I was able to get my money back, so all's well that ends well. I appreciate it to Woot, and I'm glad to have this phone, even if it wasn't the new one that I was looking for. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.